Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to add parental controls on the Series S. So the first step is you want to open up settings, then you want to navigate to account, click into this one, then click into family settings, then click into manage family members, click add to family, and what you'll need to do is you will need to add another account. So let's say you want your parent account and your child's account, so use the account you currently have as the parent account. Then you need to create a brand new child account. So let's say this one here, this is one I've already created. If you haven't created one, you just click on add new and then go through the process. But I'm just going to click onto this one here and then add to family. And you can see now this is essentially a child account. So once this is added, we'll go back and then we'll go to access restrictions, and you'll need to create a guest key. And with this guest key here, what you can do is once this is created, you can add all these restrictions you see onto the right hand side of your screen. So you can see the restrictions you can add or remove. That's up to you what you want to set. Now you will notice something, which is that screen time is missing. What is screen time? Well, how long the child can actually access, the games. So if you would like to add screen time, I will leave the link in the description to this Microsoft article. You can see set screen time. You will need to, there's a video tutorial here if you need it. And you can see, you just click into web and you just follow these instructions here. And then you can set screen time on your child's device. Now, if I just move back to the Xbox here, so let's go to Xbox, this one here. And so what you're going to do is if you want to remove the child account at any time, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to family settings, and then you're going to see manage family members. Click into the account you added, and you can see remove from console. You don't want to do that. You want to see here remove from family. Just click into this one, and then you just want to go back to remove from family, and just like that, this family member now has been removed. And so if you added any restrictions, those restrictions would not apply anymore. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.